Cooking slow roasted pork to 190 F? I got a recipe from America's Test Kitchen for slow roasted pork using a bone-in pork shoulder. They say to cook it at 325 F until it's 190 F internal temperature. However, you normally need to cook pork only until 160 F to kill microorganisms. Wouldn't cooking it until 190 F dry it out? Why would they say to cook it until 190 F if 160 F is normally sufficient?
They say to cook until 190 F because that's the temperature at which the stuff that actually makes your slow roasted pork moist, the collagen, fat, etc., is breaking down and coating the meat. Less than that and you'll have all those bits still intact in your shoulder, which you don't want. ATK explains this in their footnote, see link 1. On the recipe, low oven just like in a pot roast, cooking the pork low and slow, 325 degrees for 5 to 6 hours, pushes the meat well beyond its done mark into the 190-degree range, encouraging intramuscular fat to melt, collagen to break down and tenderize the meat, and the fat cap to render and crisp. ATK's foot and header notes have taught me a lot over the years and I highly recommend them. Going to that temperature ensures that the collagen breaks down in the shoulder. Much higher than that and it will start to dry out. Reaching 190 though is a good point and if you cooked it slow it will be fork tender. The bone will even slide out clean. Now all you need is a smoker for those pork shoulders and you'll be set.